the easiest way to make your multiples chart, first of all, you prepare a grid like this and write on the top line the numbers from 1 to 10. So you can say 1 to 10 means I can say that also multiples of 1. You can say 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, like that is the multiple of 1. To get the multiples of 2, what you have to do is, you have to add m1 to, you have to add m1 with itself, that is, you have to add 1 to 1, that is 2. 2 plus 2, you have to add the number to itself. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, this is 12, 14, 8 plus 8 is 16, 18, 10 plus 10 is 20. Here I can say, write like this, m1 plus m1, that is, you are adding m1 to itself, right? To get m3, add m1 and m2. When you add these two, you will get this. Now you can see, when you add this, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 6 is 9, this is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, that is 30. Now to get m4, add 1 and 3, then you will get m4. Now you can see 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 15 plus 5 is 20, 18 plus 6 is 24, 21 plus 7 is 28, 24 plus 8 is 32, 27 plus 9 is 36, 30 plus 10 is 40. Now in the same way you can fill the others also. To get m5 you have to add m1 plus m5, m1 plus m4, then you will get m5. You have to m1 plus m4 will give you m5. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 12 is 15, this plus the 16 is 20, 5, 20, that is 25, 30, 28, 7 is 35, 32 plus 8 is 40, 45 and 50. Okay. So in the same way you can follow this method and you can continue to fill up to 10. This is how you can easily prepare your multiples chart. If you are happy with this, please subscribe.